everyone, I am Kathleen Dakis and welcome to my channel. So today I am going to create a short video tutorial about English sounds using the IPA or the International Phonetic Alphabet. Disclaimer, I am not an expert on this, but I will try my best to explain in a way that you can understand it. Let's start on the question of what is IPA? Maybe some of you already know what is IPA means, but to those who didn't know what is IPA means International Phonetic Alphabet, as I mentioned earlier. It's like a special alphabet for sounds. Because in English, sometimes the spelling are not the same with sound. For example, the word though and the word through. They look similar, but their sound is different. So IPA helps us to know how to say the sound more correctly. So today, we will be focusing on two pairs of sound, the consonant TH sound and the vowel I sound. For our first symbol, this is the voiceless TH. And to make this sound, you guys need to put your tongue a little bit between your teeth. And this sound like Let's have a drill. Repeat after me. Thanks. It's your turn. Let's pronounce all together. Thanks. Let's have another word. Think. It's your turn. Let's pronounce all together. Think. Great job! For the next symbol, this is the voiced TH. Similar tongue position, but your vocal cords vibrates. Is stronger and louder than the previous one. And these sounds like z, z, z. Let's practice. Repeat after me. Therefore. It's your turn. Let's pronounce all together. Therefore. Let's have another word. They. It's your turn. Let's pronounce all together. They. Great job! Let's proceed to the vowel I, and it has two vowel sounds. And this symbol is for long. When you guys say this sound, your mouth will be forced to smile a little. And these sounds like E, E, E. Let's have a drill. Repeat after me. Cheese. It's your turn. Let's pronounce all together. Cheese. Let's have another word. Heat. It's your turn. Let's pronounce all together. Heat. Great job! For our last symbol, this is for the short. In this sound, you need to relax your lips. Make the sound shorter. This sounds like E, E, E. Let's practice. Repeat after me. Kick. It's your turn. Let's pronounce all together. Kick. Let's have another word. Bit. It's your turn. Let's pronounce all together. Bit. Great job! Okay guys, that's all for our IPA lesson today. I hope that you guys learned something today. If you guys have questions or suggestions, just comment or message me on my account. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless us all.